and in today's tutorial video, I will be showing you guys how you guys can transfer Tether, or in another word USDT, from Binance to Binance. Now you might be confused, like what am I talking about? Now Binance is the world's top crypto exchange where you guys can buy and sell crypto, and it's pretty safe and secure. So if you guys want to sign up into it, I will leave a referral link in the description, which if you guys use, you guys can get up to $10 bonus. And for those people who do not know Tether, Tether is a stable coin whose value is $1, and it never goes up than that and never goes down than that. That's why it's called stable coin. And when I say Binance to Binance, I mean from one Binance account to another Binance account. Alright, so with that said, let's get into the video, and don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel App Tutorial as well, because we post videos just like this. So let's move on now. So the first step is you want to go to the Binance account where you want to transfer in the Tether. So in this account, I want to get the Tether, not send it. So on the getting account, go on wallet and then go on overview. Over here, go on deposit, and on deposit, choose crypto deposit. And once you choose crypto deposit over here where it says select coin, you want to select Tether over here. But since my account is not verified, it's not allowing me to select Tether. But if your account is verified, you can select Tether. And after you select Tether, there's going to be a wallet address thing given to you at the bottom. You want to make sure it's the wallet address of Tether. After you make sure, click on copy. And after you copy the wallet address of Tether, what you want to do is you want to go to the Binance account where you want to send the Tether from. So this is my second Binance account where I want to send my Tether from. And over here, I can go on wallet and then go on overview. Now, once you go on overview, last time you went into deposit. This time you want to go into where it says withdraw over here. All right. Now, once you go on withdraw where it says coin, make sure to change it to Tether. And after you change it to Tether, paste the address where you want to send the Tether and choose the network over here. And after choosing the network, you want to enter the amount of Tether you want to send and then click on withdraw, and the Tether will be sent from one Binance to your another Binance account. So that's how you guys can do it. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.